MPP peeps. Well, jobs numbers came in, and unemployment numbers actually came in better than expected. So that's why we're seeing this gap up in the market actually hold. And new all-time highs again this morning. And let's see how far we can go. I have right now we're at 38.81 on the futures, and on the S&P, if we continue higher, I'm looking for this 39.80. That is my next target. And then if the bulls want to get completely drunk and out of control, we can go to 41.60. But at any time, since we're making these new highs, at this, I think that this is a fifth of the fifth wave. And a fifth of the fifth wave is the very tippy top before a larger correction. And I think we're in it. But, you know, what I think and what the market thinks are two different things. So, you know, we have this first trend line to watch. If we come back down here and test it, that'll tell us something. If we break it, come back down here and test this, that'll tell us something. If we break that, I think we come down here to this 200 SMA. But again, as long as we remain above this 10 SMA, especially as long as we remain above this uptrend line that's been in place since the March lows, as long as we remain above that, we can just continue grinding higher. Okay, we don't make predictions, we just follow price. And right now, price is telling us to look higher. You go to the Qs, I think the Qs are gapping up as well, up 331. So starting to get past our 330 target and head to this 350, 354. We'll see how far we get. VIX, getting down to that 20 levels where we want to see. You know, we've been down here before a few times. We got down to 1950. So if we can break these lows in the VIX and just have fear get crushed, you know, that will definitely help the cause for a rally higher to those higher targets I was talking about. So that's the backdrop. I just want to go over a few new names I'm looking at this morning. So this GOEV, this is an electric car play. It has been getting a lot of calls as of late. You can see it has a nice little downtrend line forming here, and it's broken it higher yesterday, and nice, you know, we're nicely above the 10 SMA. So I'm going to be watching this. Huge volume yesterday. If it can break yesterday's high, I might jump in this thing. If we draw some fibs, if you draw a 0.618 retrace from top to bottom, you get 20. That'd be my first target. And if the bottom's in, we can go for the 1.618 at 33. You know, that'd just be absolutely crazy. But the EV market is, you know, the EV trades are doing very well as of late. So this one could definitely move higher. And, you know, another one is the Solo, and we've been in it before and made some money, but now it's starting to take off again. So I'll be watching Solo as well. But this GOEV is a little more interesting to me just because of the call buying. The call buying coming into it. Another name that's been getting a ton of call buying as of late is this SNDL. Okay, it's a you know, it's a solar play. You know, as far as fundamentals, garbage, but fundamentals don't matter in this market anymore. So if you look at, we've already hit the 1.618, but if it wants to keep going higher, we could get the 2.618 at 1.81, and that will be my target in this play. And I'm watching for a break a break of this high right here, which was $1.36. We break that, then I might jump in to go for $1.81. But this has just been getting tattooed with call buyers. So that jumped on my radar. And another one, not much of a risky play at all, is this FDX. Really like how it's come down here and tested this 0.382 retrace from this low to this high, and a nice ABC kind of move. You got your A, B, bigger C, and now it's breaking out above the downtrend line, above the 10 SMA. It looks like this thing may be ready to at least go for a bounce, this 269, 277. So I'll be watching this one this morning for an entry above yesterday's high. And we're already there. So looking good. Colonel, what's up, buddy? SNDL is a WSB play, FYI. Yeah, it's definitely a risky play. And if I go in, it'll only be a 1/3 position. I'm not putting much down on it, that's for sure. So those are the 3 plays that I got today. And we'll see what we get. Let's look at the Bitcoin real fast before we go. Trying to get above this 38. This high right here was 38,620. We're at 38,214. So I think if we can break those highs, I mean, we can really explode from here. And my next target is 50,000. Cool. Can you please look at VRM? Absolutely. VRM. Yeah, nice little look. Nice little look here. New issue. But, you can see it's broken this downtrend line. Okay. With some authority here above its 10 SMA. Has no 200 yet. So, but, you get above yesterday's high of 44.24. Draw some fibs here. If it's just a bounce, you can go for the 0.618, which is 58. And then, the 1.618 is 102. But, I like that look. Got a great look. That's a nice find, Linda. Yeah, let's put that one on the list. That looks good. VRM Vroom. Are they in the electric car business too? That sounds very electric car-y. Vroom. I don't know. I'll check it out. But anyway, car sales online. Okay, got it. God, there's so many of those. They got Shift, Vroom, TrueCar. How many of those can exist? I guess a lot. Okay. Chip shortages are driving these. Okay. Interesting. All right, guys. Well, that's what I got. Thanks for the ideas. And I'll see you guys this afternoon. Let's see if we can make a little more money, put some icing on this cake for the week. It's been a great week, and I hope you guys have had a great one too. All right, I'll see you this afternoon. Until then, don't trade for thrills. Just consistently make those dollar bills. See you guys.